Folks, what we're looking at here is the new Grandville Commodore Modular. Beautiful exterior. This home has an 8-foot sidewall. With a 512 residential roof pitch. Beautiful dormer. Come up and you've got a nice steel front door. You walk in. Ladies and gentlemen, your living room is very spacious. As you can see, you got a beautiful bay window here. Ladies, this kitchen is excellent. Nice, spacious little island with a sink. Lots of cabinets. This is actually their 60th anniversary edition kitchen. Nice backsplash, windows over the counter. Over here is where you would go downstairs. This is your basement access with a half wall. As you can see, the 60th Diamond Anniversary collection gives you $1,195 worth of features for $560. They also have the stainless steel Diamond Anniversary Chef's Collection stainless steel appliance package on sale for $31.60 for a limited time with this home. Very spacious. There's your dining room. Back here is your master bedroom. Nice feature wall. This is a true modular home. Very spacious closet. Here's your attic access. Again, you have closet organizers available to you, so you can pretty much design your closet however you want. And this is your master bath. Lots of storage. Bronze faucet package, his and her lavatories. Very spacious shower. This home is gorgeous, ladies and gentlemen. Complete tape and textured sheetrock throughout. 2x6 exterior walls. Very comfortable home. Nice for your company when you're trying to entertain. The kids can eat breakfast here. Very spacious snack bar. Back here is your guest bath. Nice sized kids rooms. Here's your other guest room. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for a quality home, this is your nice utility room with a tub sink. Lots of storage. Commodore is celebrating 60 years, ladies and gentlemen. That's a long time to stay in business. They built a very nice home. Village Homes is proud to be their dealer. If you would like to receive more information on Commodore Homes or Village Homes, you can give us a call at 316-733-9550 or come see us in person. One final view here of the living room. We'd love to show this to you. Thank you very much and have a great day.